The 560-kilometer route from Mudgaon, Goa to CST Mumbai is a scenic and challenging ride. Cyclists will traverse the Western Ghats, passing through rolling hills, villages, and coastal roads. The routes include NH66 and NH48 with a mix of smooth highways and rough patches. Regular walks and hydration are essential.
Back to Mumbai from Dinalo Road. I am heading towards Mudgaon East, my place. I will show you Mumbai city some other day. Not today because I am very exhausted. I rode cycle day and night from Goa to reach this place. See you soon. Milano Road towards Mudgaon East. You see this temple, and there are a couple of old residences. This taxi has got NH Maharashtra registration, Zone 1, prime location. Way to हा आमची मुंबई. तुमची मुंबई कुठे? तुमचे काय आहे त्या सांगा. तुमचे काय आहे त्या सांगा मला. आम्ही आता जातो नळगाव. 4 तास पाहिजे तिकडे पोहोचतात. सी यू सून. लवकर भेटा.
East on Veerkot. Southeast on Veerkot.
That's Borivali slum. Bandra slum next to the station. Followed by skyscrapers and big commercial buildings. Below you can see road of amphitheater style and skyscrapers behind. A number of vehicles moving. I'm on the top layer of the bridge, heading towards Borivali. After Borivali, Mudgaon. It's another 30 kilometers from here in the Mumbai suburban. This is Narayan Sharma returning from 5-month-long All India cycling. See you soon. The bus is not leaving. The orange bus, as a result, you are not able to see the fort of Chhatrapati Shivaji, the modern build in the name of skyscraper architecture, skyscape architecture. The road is crowded in the evening. I am in Mumbai, heading to Dahisar, next to the city where I dwell in, that's Bhayandar. My exact place is Mudgaon in Bhayandar. See you soon. Nasupara, Naigaon, Dahisar, and I live in Naigaon. This is the road. Too crowded this evening, every evening, because it is prime time. At 7 p.m. we got a beautiful dormitory for the night because it's too late to continue riding to my home today. Home means the place where I live. That's in this is the sleeping option. It's neat and clean and sophisticated. Okay, good night.
Reaching the penultimate stage of the all-India cycle trip is an exhilarating experience. The sense of accomplishment and pride in having covered thousands of kilometers is overwhelming. The fatigue and challenges faced along the way seem worthwhile as the finish line of cycle. The excitement and anticipation of completing the journey are palpable, making this stage truly unforgettable.